baby spanking. That's a new one. Son of a bitch! Oh!
Summit Racing.
Yes, doesn't fail.
What's up?
Appreciate my friendship with you guys.
No, it was fun.
He's like, I'm having a great time.
It's not,
Broke down in the desert.
being in an AC shop doesn't make it any more fun.
No, it definitely doesn't.
Definitely doesn't.
Yeah, the shop's not at all helpful. Alright, back what we were doing over here. Look at that lock nut is sick. Look at how good that is. Like, that thing's
I never understood why they put nylocks on.
Why? You're supposed to have those miserable metal ones that ruin the
stove
bolts.
nuts?
Yep.
I just threw those across my shop when I just did one the other day and stripped the whole thing out, brand new clamp. I was so angry. You pour that bottle, my goodness.
He's pouring it. And now he's Michael J. Fox. Like, huh. Shit.
That's all you get.
You know what? That guy's gonna run for president. He's gonna shake shit up.